Hi guys, welcome to dubventures and welcome to another video. Today's the day. Today's the day. We've been waiting so long. We've been waiting 6 months to get this done. We're finally going getting our kitchen unit fitted to our VW Crafter camper van. So guys, if you are new to the channel, I will just show you in here. We've got our RIB seat bed and seating area here. We've got our bulkhead here with a garage space in the back, and we've got like our mattress up there, the sleeping area. And as you can see, we don't have a kitchen unit here. Now the thing is, trying to get a kitchen unit to fit a VW Crafter, it's not easy. So what we've done is we've spoke to our friends over at AJC Conversions, and they are going to make us one, because me and Brooke, we've actually designed our kitchen to get it to fit and be exactly what it is that we want. Now one of the things that we need to do, we need to take our gas, and we're having our Ecoflow power station sort of like put as part of it.
Hi.
If you're new to the channel, this is
Brooke.
Yes, right. We need to get like all the bits that we need to take, because I'm so excited. We need to take the gas canister, we need to take the Ecoflow. We also, because we're having it designed, we need to take like a cutlery tray that we're taking, so to make sure that the drawer is sort of like built around that, because like I said guys, we're not just like having this like done and it's like hope for the best. This is being made specifically to suit our needs. So guys, this is the camping gas canister that we're going to take. Now originally we was going to have like the small canisters, but this is going to work out better. Now we didn't know this, so just for anybody that's thinking about like, you know, getting like a gas system for the cooking or anything in their camper van, what you do is you have to buy one of these canisters, and they normally come empty, and then you go to a camping gas place and you can exchange it and then it's full. So just let you know, because we didn't know that. It took a lot of research for us to find out that that's how we did it, because you know, if you don't know, then you know, you need to find out. So might be a good tip for you guys. So anyway, let's go.
So we're having this built into our kitchen, but so that it's removable, but it's going to come in handy for our electric system, because this helps me keep my hair straight, although it's not very straight today, but that's what it's for.
Yes. So guys, let's get on the road and let's go over to AJC. We're here guys, dropping the van off, just gonna go through a few things, and so excited. So guys, here's the genius. This is Brandon. Like I said, we've actually got the paperwork there now. In one of the previous videos, I'll just quick show there, I did say that I would show the design that we did, and you actually said it's actually not bad, didn't you? I don't know what I'm doing, but
I like it.
Yeah, he likes it. So what I'm going to do is, when it's actually ready and we pick it up, I'm going to show you the original picture that I did, just to like show you, like, you know, what it's like type of thing. So but there we go.
You'll like it.
Right, we're home guys. I can't tell you how excited we are, and we've waited so long to, you know, get the kitchen unit like put in the van, because obviously, you know, these companies are booked up doing things. There isn't a lot of availability to get things like that done where there's kitchen units ready made. So like I said, the best option for us was to get it like made, and so it works perfectly for us. Now when we do pick the van up, it's literally going to be a couple of days. Like we'll get the van, and then literally a couple of days later we're going to the Auction Dales, aren't we?
Yeah. So we're also doing a winter road trip around the NC 500, and we're going to start on the east coast and work our way around to the north coast, and doing a sneaky couple of days on the Isle of Skye. We're going to do a mixture of campsites and wild camping. So I've already booked the campsites, because obviously it's winter time and you need to book them campsites.
Yeah, now we are doing some wild camping, and that brings me on to one of our next upgrades. Now you'll have seen in the previous videos where the power that we've been using is power the fridge unit, and like some like accessories and things that we've got. We've been using the Ecoflow River Pro that we've got. Now we've actually upgraded to get more power, so I'm going to show you that in a minute. But before we do the NC 500 trip, like I said, we're picking the van up, and literally a couple of days after that we're going to the Auction Dales for a couple of days, aren't we?
Yeah,
so
what we're going there for?
Do you want to tell them why we're going there?
Because it's my birthday.
Yes, it's Brooke's birthday, so we're going to celebrate his
He's got
birthday.
some surprises.
Yeah, I've got some prizes. You know, you'll see, because you know, you've seen the videos that come in. But what we're going to do is, on that trip, it's ideal timing for us, because it gives us a chance to try everything in the van, because we'll have the kitchen unit fitted, and you know, we want to try all the cooking facilities and like all the storage and everything.
A nice 3-course dinner.
Yeah, well we can do, because we're going to be doing so much more cooking.
You heard that.
You will see guys, when I cook Brooke her birthday meal, when we go to Yorkshire Dales, it's going to be made like, yes, I'm going to put a lot of like, you know, hard work into it, and like make a really nice meal for your birthday.
3 course.
If that's what it is, then that's what it is. So guys, you'll have seen that the power that we use to power our fridge and things, which is like a system that it can recharge as we're driving because it plugs into the leisure battery, or you can use a solar panel. We've been using these Equal4 Pros. Now, the thing with this is it's a 720 watt hour of power, and then you can upgrade the battery where you get an extra battery and it takes it up to 1440 watt hours. It takes 1.6 hours to charge up to 80%. Now, it's a fantastic system and it works so well for us because we did a 3-week like road trip all around Scotland and everything, and I think the lowest the battery went down to was like about 40%, but that's because we weren't charging it every night because we just didn't need to, like, because like I said, you can charge it through the leisure battery as well. Now, because we've got so much winter travel coming up, we thought, you know, we want to upgrade. So what we've done is we've upgraded to some serious power. So what we've done is we're upgrading our system to the Ecoflow Delta 2. Let's show you. So this is the Ecoflow Delta 2, and this is a 1 kilowatt unit. We've also got the extra battery pack, which makes it up to 2 kilowatt. Do you know what, guys? That is serious power. Now the thing is, because we're going to be doing a lot of winter travel, this system is going to be ideal. Now the system we had before works, but this is going to give us so much more power. It's just going to be exactly what we need. Now the thing is, because we've got so much travel coming up next year where we're going to Europe and things, now these power stations only take 50 minutes to charge up to 80%. Again, when we're travelling in winter and going to campsites, and when we're going into Europe doing like a big European road trip that we're doing, that's going to make things so much easier because the charging power is going to be so quick. So when we're at campsites, we can just give it a top up. A couple of days after we pick the van up, we're going to the Yorkshire Dales, so we're going to like put this in the van, and they're just going to be temporarily held in by like brackets that hold it, just so that we can take it out the van when we're not using them. The system that we've got when we travel is going to keep it charged up, so we're really pleased with this. Now when we do pick the van up, the van is almost finished as far as a full conversion goes. There's just one more thing that we need to do. Let's get a couple of lockers fitted. Now we have looked again online, and we've spoken about this so many times, that like there isn't parts that are available for a VW Crafter to get like all these things done. It's just like they're just not available. And some of the ones that are available, we have been advised, because we know some people that have fitted them, they don't fit very well. So buying like flat pack things isn't the best way to do it. So we've already arranged that with AJC, we're going to be getting some lockers actually made so that they fit exactly to where we want it in the van. An incredible 91% of you guys that are watching, you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel. And you know what? It really helps our channel out if you could hit that subscribe button, because as you can see, we've got so many things that we're doing, and we bring you guys content every week. And you know what? It's free for you guys to hit the subscribe button, and it really, really helps the channel out. So please, if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button. You managed to get the NC 500 trip all done?
Yep.
All campsites booked?
Yep.
Everything sorted, you know where we're going?
Sorted.
Do you know what? Brooke is so good at organising trips. If you've seen all the previous trips, you know that like Brooke just sorts it all out.
Over the winter period, like a lot of the campsites aren't open, they're only open in season, so it's not as easy to book campsites. So I would definitely recommend, if you're doing a winter trip, to actually look at the campsites you want to stay at, just to see if they're open before you plan a trip. Yeah, that's a really good point. I mean, we are doing a lot of well camping, but you know, I keep saying we're
it
staying
like...
at like 5 campsites though.
5 campsites?
5 campsites.
I thought we were just saying it 2 or 3, so this is why Brooke organises all the trips and everything, so... And
then, on our last night, I've got a little sneaky surprise for on our way home.
Ah, I do actually know what that is. I think I know what that is.
Yeah.
We'll talk, maybe I don't actually. We'll have to keep an eye out for that one, so... Right, have you got anything to add, Brooke? There's a lot in today's video, lots going on. Anything to add?
Nope, see you in the next one.
Guys, like I said before, please do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Also, organising the Switzerland trip. You know, we've got other like day trips coming. We've got our Christmas van that's sold out.
Sold out.
Yes, we're so excited. We're going to be bringing you that over Christmas. Until the next one, bye for now.